I'm Connie Williams, your local certified senior housing professional. We're going to tour Southern Plaza today. So come on, let's go in and see what they have for us. Southern Plaza Retirement Community is located at 3737 North College Avenue, right here in downtown Bethany. Southern Plaza Independent Living offers a worry-free and maintenance-free lifestyle. They pride themselves on being a family. Today we are going to tour the spacious one-bedroom apartment. Come on, I can't wait to show you. This opens up into a large living room with high ceilings and, of course, lots of natural light. Each one-bedroom apartment is designed to make you feel at home, with this wonderful natural light as well. The unit features a kitchenette with full-size refrigerator and microwave, with plenty of counter space and storage. Just off the kitchen area is plenty of space for a small table or bistro set. As you can see, the bedrooms are very spacious with plenty of room for bedroom sets. These apartments include large walk-in closets with plenty of shelves for storage. Take a look at this large bathroom with a step-in shower and adjustable shower head. Also, plenty of extra storage. Just imagine living here in a totally maintenance-free environment. I want to help you with your next move. Please call, text, or email me. My phone number is 405-613-6890 or email Connie@homesteadrealtyco.com. And remember, your life should be less stressful and turn into overjoyed.